right, standard form. Moving on to standard form. This is essentially 4-2 and 4-3 together. Sometimes the equation of a line is not given in a y-intercept form, so we need to change it to y-intercept form so we can identify the slope of the y-intercept. The standard form comes in the form ax plus by equals c. So it looked like something like this example. So we need to work the equation and solve for y to put it into slope-intercept form. So to do that, you're going to eliminate the x term by doing the opposite operation to both sides, then divide both sides by the coefficient on the y, both terms on the right to get divided, producing a fraction. So we need to get this 4x to the other side. So to do that, this is a positive 4x, so we need to subtract 4x from both sides. That leaves us negative y equals negative 4x plus 1. Now we can't have a negative y, so we need to divide that by negative 1. Divide the entire thing by negative 1, so y equals positive 4, because a negative divided by a negative is a positive. And then negative 1, or positive 1 divided by negative 1 is negative 1. So now we have a slope that equals 4 and a y-intercept that equals negative 1. And now we can graph this. So I'm going to go down to negative 1 on the y-axis. Then I'm going to rise over run 4 over 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1. Now I have a line. Okay, so there's my line. All right, let's do the next one. I need to move 11x over to the other side, so I need to subtract 11x from both sides. I'll put negative 8y equals negative 11x minus 48. Now we need to get rid of the negative 8. Sorry about that. Now we're going to divide both sides by negative 8. I'm putting it all over the entire right side over negative 8, but we're essentially going to divide each term by negative 8. Let's do that. We'll divide that by negative 8 and that by negative 8. So that cancels. Y equals negative and a negative is a positive division, so that's 11 over 8x. Negative divided by negative is a positive, so that's positive 6. So slope equals 11 over 8. And my y-intercept equals 6. So I'm going to go to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I can't go up, so I have to go down. So I got back to the origin 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now, I have a positive slope. So to make a positive slope line, I have to move to the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so 8 would be at. Okay. Got a ruler, and there's my line. All right, let's go to the next page. Actually, it's still on next page. All right. First thing we need to do is move the 11x over by subtracting 11x from both sides. Leaves me 4y equals negative 11x plus 32. Now I'm going to divide each side by 4. Cancels. Y equals negative 11 over 4x plus 8. So I'm going to have a slope that equals negative 11 over 4. Y-intercept that equals 8. So I got y-intercept of 8. Okay, that's not on here, so here's 8. Okay, so and then I'm going to go down 11. 8, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then I have a negative line, so I'm going to go to the right, like a negative line, 4. Okay. Next one, 4x plus 5y. First thing, subtract 4x from both sides to get to the other side of the equal sign. The opposite operation. Cancels, so we're left with 5y equals negative 4x minus 10. If you haven't noticed, I'm always putting the x term before the regular number term on the right side because it has to be in the y equals mx plus b form. Now we'll divide everything by 5. We get negative 4/5 x minus 2. So I'm going to get 2 on the y-axis. I'm going to go up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I need a negative line, so I have to go left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Also go down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go right 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that gives me 3 points. Alright, good. We'll save those last 2 examples to work in class. So let's go ahead and go over. Let's go ahead. So 8x plus 3y equals 9. First thing, get rid of the 8x, move it to the other side of the equal sign. Opposite operation, 3y equals negative 8x minus 9. Divide both sides by 3, everything by 3. Y equals negative 8 over 3x minus 3. So I have a slope that equals negative 8 over 3. Y-intercept that equals negative 3. So negative 3 on my y-axis. This is my line. Okay, and then go up 8. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I need a negative line. So a negative line is going to, I'm going to have to go to the left. 1, 2, 3. Right, my points. Don't really have enough room to go again, so we'll just put 2 points. Alright, now there you go. Alright, on the last one. 3x plus 20 equals negative 4y. So I need to move. So this one's kind of written backwards. So let's rewrite this. Negative 4y equals 3x plus 20. Okay, so all we need to do is divide by 4, or negative 4. Divide by negative 4. So this is y equals negative 3 over 4x minus 5. So I'm going to go to negative 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Negative 5 on the y-axis. Go up 3 over 4. 1, 2, 3. We go left because it's a negative. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there we go. Alright, that is standard form. Please come to class with questions.